Ah, there they are. Okay. Losing your keys or just not even knowing where they are in your bag is a huge pain in the butt. This week, I want to share with you my solution for decluttering your keys and making it so you never lose them again. First thing you want to do is declutter your keychain. Don't carry all your keys around like a janitor. Just carry the keys you need, like that. And also, get a little cap, this is a beautiful leather one from Etsy, to put on your house key so you always know that that is the key that you're grabbing first. Number 2, get a hook. I used to use carabiners, which I love, but then I looked around for other kinds. This is a really cool version. This is a swivel snap. I found fish hooks, this brass fish hook. I'll show you if I put it on. I know, I'm coming. Oh, there we go. The hook is key because you can keep it always where you want it to be. You keep it on your pants, you can keep it on your bag. Whoa, what happened to my bag? Sometimes you actually do lose your keys, and you can often lose your bag with it. Thank you. Ah, there it is. This great little thing is a Bluetooth tracker with GPS that hooks up to an app on my phone, and I always know where they are. So that's it for this week. A tab, a tile, and a hook act like your own helping hand. I'll see you next week.